that's the secret to infusible ink, is even heat. Okay, so as with everything, it all starts with how you're prepped for your project. So for the bag, you have an easy press mat. For the t-shirt, you do too. You have the easy press mat underneath. Then inside the tote, you have another easy press mat and a piece of cardstock. Okay? The reason for that, we're calling it a stack, is because you're popping up your design so that you can get even heating across the whole surface. If you hit an edge of your bag, it's no longer easily heated, right? Because now your press is kind of skew on this, right? And that is what causes fading. It causes the edges to look kind of like it's melting, it's fuzzy around there. Even heating, that's the secret. Okay. So then, let's pretend I haven't already pressed this bag. I put my design. This is what it looks like before. I press. You can put my design down. I put my butcher paper down. And I press. But already I've made a mistake. Do you see my mistake? I'll take that away. My press is too little for my design. With iron-on, this wouldn't be a problem because I could press here and I could press here and it would be fine. But with infusible ink, every time you press, you'll see it. It's all about even heating. Okay. So if I press this again, I'll have a line right down my project where the edge of the press is. Okay? That's why even heating. Remember that and you'll never mess up. Okay, so for this design, I would need a bigger press. I would need a 10 by 12, or I would need to resize my design to fit under my press. I'm not saying you need a bigger press. I'm saying you need to make sure your design fits under whatever press you have. Okay?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Everybody's saying butcher paper. Where do you get butcher paper? Oh, we gotta go.
No. Butcher paper, you get a sheet with every sheet inside the box. So if you buy a 4-pack, you get 4 pieces of butcher paper. Okay? You can also buy it on Amazon if you need it. But this butcher paper is reusable as long as there isn't any ink on it. So I reuse my butcher paper until it's like Christmas, right? And then I use it on a pen project, because with a pen project, so you can see this, the machine drew this design, and then I colored it in, and then I pressed it onto this bag.
Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't
My
that cool?
husband loves to do like coloring, so
Yes,
that's perfect.
yeah,
I can
exactly.
I can get that on like from my machine and then have him color it.
Yes,
Oh,
exactly.
awesome.
But when you press with the pens, the ink comes back onto your butcher paper. So then you'll have to throw it away. Because if you use that again,
You'll get it
you'll
on.
get it on. You'll get it on your next project. So I use it on the sheets until it's crispy, and then I use it for my pen projects. Okay? Okay, so with iron-on though, you can layer. Look how cute your shirt is. You can layer different colors. You're so cute! You can layer different colors. Can you still do that with infusible ink? Yes. It's just a little bit trickier. Okay, so you see this shirt and this cutout? I transferred this design to this shirt. One press, I was done. But what if I wanted the words to be in black? Normally with iron-on, I just cut another layer and put it over the top, right?
Yeah.
But with infusible ink, if you want all the layers to be infusible ink, you need to press them all at once. Okay? So you cut out your words from black, infusible ink, and then, oh, sorry, my Vanna, isn't she lovely? You press those pieces into the design. So like this, I'm puzzle piecing it in so that when I press, it all presses at once. Okay?
Oh, so you'll take whatever's cut out and then put them into
The design. That's right. So if you're doing words like yours, you would have painting is my therapy all on one backer sheet and then press it all at once.
Versus like before with like a shirt like that, you're making 2 to 10 different layers every single time, but you're only pressing once on this.
That's right.
Oh,
Press
awesome.
one time.
Yay. great.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can also, oh, I'm keeping up the line again. Ashish is next. We're doing more demos tonight with the